Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get the reindeer if you didn't get it last year. So you will need to go to the winter quest. Then you will need to go to chapter 2 first. Then you will need to hop on the reindeer and reach the end to go to the ice cave. I'll just speed this up. Then you will need to ride the first sleigh, which is like the one on the very left side here. I'll show you in a minute. You'll need to ride the one on the left, and it's going to take you to this fountain. Then you will have to input this code. It's spelled like this, Polynesia. Press enter, and then you're just going to go back to the Winter Quest lobby. Once you are back, you're just going to head straight and you're going to turn right, and you'll see these like wooden planks, and you'll see like question marks on the like button. You're just going to want to press that, and it's going to teleport you to the like quest, I guess. So you're going to turn to the left and you'll see like a water well, not a fountain, a well. You're just going to press E. And basically, you will need to find 3 apples for the reindeer. So here's like the reindeer over there. The first apple is across like this statue. You'll see it's kind of one of the like closest one. Well, across the statue. It is this one. You're just going to shake it. Then you're going to grab the apple and you're going to, sorry, my voice just broke. And you're going to give it to the deer. Like, you're just going to click on the deer here, like so. Okay. The second one is here, like on top of these like rocks, stones, I don't know. You're just going to then shake the tree, grab the apple, and give it to the deer again. For the last apple, you're just going to go behind this building and you'll see a tree here, this one over here, and you're just going to shake the tree, and again, you're going to give the apple to the deer again. Once everything's completed, you'll see this button and you're just going to press E. I just got currencies because I already got the deer, so I don't need it. But I think it's just going to be in your dressing rooms, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!